Welcome to our tutorial on adding fonts to Google Slides. Whether you're a designer, educator, or presenter, knowing how to access a wide variety of fonts can enhance your creativity. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. 1. Access the font options. Open your Google Slides presentation, click on the font drop-down list in the toolbar, select more fonts to explore additional options. 2. Browse and choose fonts. In the pop-up window, you can narrow down the font options by category, e.g., serif, sans serif, handwriting. Search for specific fonts using the search bar or scroll through the available list. Click on a font to select it. 3. Apply the font. The selected font will now appear in the My Fonts list on the right. When you finish adding the fonts you want to use, select OK. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.